Nocturne Diaries. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video of Bookscart's mystery box. So this box cost us like 999 rupees. It contains 15 books, but we don't know what's inside. That's why we call it a mystery, because they choose the books for us and we don't know what's inside this. So let's get unboxing. So it's neatly packed. You start to keep it like that, and you have to go like this on this side. So it's very neatly packed, and so it has been delivered by Amazon. Amazon is doing the delivery. So now let's get unboxing. So it's open like now. Okay, we will open this, but before that, please like this video, subscribe and share this video, and turn on post notifications. Click that bell icon, that's the post notifications. So yeah, let's open this. Ooh. They've given us some cards. Escaping reality, one page at a time. Some cards. And second one is also the same. Read, lead, succeed. And there are two more of that. Read, lead, succeed. I think, therefore, I read. That's a Billie Eilish song. Therefore, I am. They have given us some bookmarkers and some beautiful stickers with beautiful quotes. And let's now keep that aside. Down. Just keep that aside and look into the books. So let's take the first one, which is a big book. All these books are looking pretty good in condition. This one is the first one. It also looks pretty good. Next, let's take the next one. It's also pretty good. Okay, I guess. This looks very good in condition. Later we'll look onto these books and find out what's like. No? I think there's no pictures in these. I like picture books more than this. My mom loves reading the books with no pictures because she loves reading like 200-page books. I like reading like picture books. So I just found a book which has no front title or back title. It has on the side to be the best. It doesn't have it in front or back. Barbara Taylor Bradford. So the books look good in condition. Every book looks good condition. So we just got a small library which does contain 15 books. I counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 15 of them. Now I think we have to. So see you guys soon with another interesting video. We may do a review of one of these books maybe after reading it. So just go and read the books. So please. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.